forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss arithmetic progression. Short form is AP, arithmetic progression. A sequence A1, A2, A3 dot 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 n minus 1 n is called arithmetic progression if A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to dot 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 equal to n minus 1 equal to d, where A1 is called first term and D is called common difference. For example, 3, 7, 11, 15 dot 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 dot. Now this is a sequence whose first term is 3, second term is 7, first term is denoted by A1, second term is denoted by A2, second term is denoted by A2, third term is denoted by A3, fourth term is denoted by A4 and so on. Now check, A2 minus A1 means 7 minus 3 equal to 4, 11 minus 7 4, 15 minus 11 4. It means A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. Such sequence is called arithmetic progression. We can also say if we add common difference in first term, then we get next term. First term is 3 and common difference is 4. This is common difference. This is this minus this minus this minus this is called common difference. In this sequence common difference is 4. To get next term, 8 common difference. So 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15. Tell me next term, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 4 23. In this way we can find the remaining terms. Now we take more examples. 7, 10, 13, 16, 19 dot 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 dot. Now again, tell me first term 7, second term 10, third term 13, fourth term 16, fifth term 19. Now tell me first term and common difference. So first term is 7, common difference this minus this means 3. This minus this 3, this minus this 3, this minus this 3 means A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. Such sequence is called arithmetic progression. And to find next term, 8 common difference. Common difference is 3. So next term is 6th term. 19 plus 3 22. 7th term 22 plus 3 25. In this way we can find remaining terms. Let's do some problems. Question number 1. Write first 4 terms of the AP when first term is 10 and common difference is 9. So first write we have first term is equal to 10 and common difference is equal to 9. So write first 4 terms. So first term is given A1 equal to 10. अब टू गेट सेकेंड टर्म कैसे निकालते हैं अपन, फर्स्ट टर्म में कॉमन डिफरेंस प्लस कर देंगे. सो सेकेंड टर्म इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो 10 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 19. नाउ फाइंड थर्ड टर्म कैसे निकालेंगे अपन, सेकेंड टर्म में कॉमन डिफरेंस प्लस करेंगे. A2 प्लस D. सो 19, A2 मीन्स 19 प्लस 9 is equal to 28. Now find fourth term means last term. A4 is equal to third term plus common difference. third term is 28 and common difference is 9. So 28 plus 9, 37. So in this way we can find other term also if required, 5, 6, 7. Next problem. For the AP 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, ... Write the first term A and the common difference D. For first term we use A1, A also. This is name only. So this is AP. So first term is equal to 1 by 3. This is first term, this is second term, third term or fourth term. I am now find common difference. Common difference means either second minus first or third minus second or fourth minus third. You can take any one. So common difference means second term minus first term. Second term is 5 by 3 and first term 1 by 3. Taking LCM 3, so we get 5 minus 1. So 4 by 3. So common difference is 4 by 3. Next problem. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. There are 3 parts. Okay, first part. 2, 4, 8, 16. So first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 8 and fourth term is 16. Now we have to check AP. Means A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3. So first find A2 minus A1 is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4, 4. So no need to find A4 minus A3 because A2 minus A1 is 2 or A3 minus A2 is 4. Since A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore given list of numbers is not an AP. Not an AP. Now start second part. This is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now find A2 minus A1. 5 by 2 minus 2. 5 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the 4. So 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. A3 minus A2, 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now find A4 minus A3. 7 by 2 minus 3. 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 2 3 is 6. 7 minus 6. So 1 by 2. So in each case difference of A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 is equal. Since A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal to A4 minus A3 equal to 1 by 2. So therefore common difference is equal to 1 by 2. Our question is find 3 more terms. First, second, third and fourth term. So now find fifth term. Fifth term is equal to fourth term plus common difference. So fourth term is fourth term is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 or 1, 8 by 2 means 4. Similarly, sixth term 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2 means 2 4 जा 8 और 1 9/2. And seventh term 9/2 plus 1/2. 9/2 plus 1/2 means 10/2 means 5. Third part. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. So first find a2 minus a1. Means this minus this. 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 or 3 cancel. So we get root 2. Fourth part. a3 minus a2 is equal to. a3 means 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. When open the bracket, we get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 or 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2. Sorry, only a3 minus a2. Now write a4 minus a3. a4 minus a3. This minus this. So 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, root 2. In each case, a2 minus a1 equal to root 2, a3 minus a2 equal to root 2 and a4 minus a3 equal to root 2. Therefore, it is an AP. Therefore, common difference equal to root 2. Now write next 3 terms. 3 more terms means a5. So, a5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Sixth term 3 plus 5 root 2 and seventh term 3 plus 6 root 2. Properties of arithmetic progression means properties of an AP. Number 1, if a constant is added to each term of an AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. So let us consider an AP. For example, 2, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So it is a AP. 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 8, 3. अब फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इफ अ कांस्टेंट इज एडेड टू ईच टर्म, कोई भी कांस्टेंट ले लेते हैं अपन, फॉर एग्जांपल 2, एड 2 इन ईच टर्म प्लस 2, 2 प्लस करो क्या मिलेगा आपको 4, इसमें 2 प्लस करो क्या मिलेगा 7, इसमें 2 प्लस करो कितना मिलेगा 10, इसमें 2 प्लस करो 13, डॉट 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 डॉट. अब now check 7 minus 4 3, 10 minus 7 3, 13 minus 10 3. So resulting sequence is also an AP. If a constant is subtracted from each term of an AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. मान लो ये जो AP इसमें अपन कोई कांस्टेंट माइनस कर देते हैं, -1, 1 माइनस करो तो 3, 6, 9, 12, dot 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 dot. Now check 6 minus 3, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 12 minus 9, 3. Means if a constant is subtracted from each term of an AP, the resulting sequence is also an AP. If each term of an AP is multiplied by a constant, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. Okay, multiply by a constant, multiply by 2, 2 से multiply करो, we get 6, 12, 18, 24 and dot 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 dot. Now check 12 minus 6, 6, 18 minus 12, 6, 24 minus 18, 6. So in each case common difference is same. So again it is a AP, means if each term of an AP is multiplied by a constant, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. And last one, if each term of an AP is divided by a non-zero constant. Why I speak non-zero constant? Because in maths we can't divide any number by 0, meaningless. 1 upon 0, no meaning. 2 upon 0, no meaning. That's why non-zero constant. So divide this equation by 6. 6 upon 6, 1. 12 upon 6, 2. 18 upon 6, 3. 24 upon 6, 4. Now check resulting sequence. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. So again it is a AP. Next lecture we will find nth term of an arithmetic progression. Thank you. Have a nice day.